Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, once again, we just got a really simple modification we're going to do to the Forester, and it's going to be these Lamin-X foglight cover. And of course, as you can see here, I went ahead and got the yellow Lamin-X color. So let me go and get more in depth into why I wanted to do this modification. So looking at this footage, you will notice that I have my headlights and foglights on. For this modification, I was hoping to have increased illumination here in these areas, mainly for off-roading purposes during the nighttime. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is how the fog lights currently look. On to the first step, let's go ahead and take off the front bumper. Pretty simple process here, just make sure you remove all the clips here. So let's go to the wheel wells. You'll need to remove these clips here on the left side and then on the right side. After that, you're free to take off the bumper. Just be careful here, it's super easy to break these clips off. Now the bumper is off, so let's go ahead and disconnect the fog lights. You will need a 10mm to take off the remaining bolts, which is located all the way down here. Here's the bolt. Now let's go ahead and take out the other side. Now for this modification, I am replacing the old bolts with brand new bulbs, and in this case the bulbs are 9006 for my 2007 Subaru Forester XT. So let's go ahead and open the Lamin-X packaging and see what it comes with. Looks like it just comes with the vinyl and nothing else. So let's go ahead and just take a closer look, and to be honest, I did not expect the quality of these vinyl to be this good. And for reference, here's a look at the other brand that I was also looking at. Time to take out the bulbs, which is a very easy process here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the fog lights themselves. Now I'm actually not sure why, but my lights were lined with red overspray. And obviously I don't want this to affect adhesion and also how it looks, so I went ahead and polished these up a bit. And in this case, I did use aluminum polish. Unfortunately, the overspray was a bit more stubborn than I anticipated, so I decided to use a bit more force. And after about 5 minutes, this is how they came out. Now it's time to put on the Lamin-X vinyl covers, which was actually a very simple process. After I applied the vinyl, I decided to use a heat gun to release any air bubbles. Now as you can see here, I'm actually not too worried about the edges here, as they should subside once they are out baking in the sun. So let's go ahead and take a look at before and after. Both of the fog lights are now complete, so let's go ahead and put the boom bulbs in, and finally let's put them back on the Forester. Before we put everything back together, let's go ahead and test them just to make sure everything's working together. And we are good to go. Let's go and put the rest of the vehicle back up. And one more test. And let's go ahead and see if replacing the bulbs helped with the illumination. Unfortunately, they really didn't help much at all. With this already being done, I'm guessing the next step would just be upgrading to some actual LED auxiliary lights. They do cost quite a bit, so that modification is going to have to wait. But at least on a side note, the Lamin-X vinyl wraps do look really good with the Forester. But let me know what you guys think. And that will be it for this video. So if you guys have any specific questions or found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment down below. And as always, if you guys do want to see what happens next to the XT, the 86, the Z, the 50, or the Macan, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.